Have you ever had the pleasure of immersing yourself in the rich history, stunning landscapes, and mouthwatering cuisine of Greece? Or perhaps it's been a dream destination on your travel bucket list for a while now. Today, we'll be journeying through the vibrant and resilient world of Greek tourism, particularly focusing on the country's top island destinations. In recent news, Greece's tourism industry has been facing a combination of challenges, from the global pandemic to an intense heatwave, the worst in over 30 years. Yet, despite these hurdles, Greece continues to stand as a beacon of resilience and tenacity. The global pandemic, as we know, has taken a toll on travel worldwide, with the CDC adding Greece to the very high COVID-19 risk category and recommending that travel be avoided unless necessary and fully vaccinated. Yet Greece has responded with a robust health and safety protocol, ensuring the well-being of both its residents and visitors. Even as wildfires raged and Athens was covered in haze due to an unprecedented heat wave, the allure of Greece remained undiminished. Tourists armed with sunscreen and hats chose to lounge by the pool or the beach, undeterred by the soaring temperatures. Now, let's turn our attention to the main attraction, the breathtakingly beautiful Greek islands. Each with its unique charm, these islands offer experiences that cater to a range of interests. From the azure waters of Crete to the whitewashed buildings of Santorini, the tranquility of Paros to the lively nightlife in Mykonos, there's an island for every type of traveler. Crete, the largest island, boasts of diverse landscapes, ancient ruins, and a culinary scene that's a gastronomic delight. Santorini, with its iconic sunset views, is a haven for romantics. Paros, with its traditional villages and golden beaches, offers a serene getaway. And Mykonos, with its vibrant nightlife and chic boutiques, is a hub for the young and the young at heart. Despite the trials that Greece's tourism industry has faced, it's worth noting that the country's appeal remains unscathed. The resilience of this beautiful country is a testament to the enduring allure of its landscapes, its rich history, and the warm hospitality of its people. So, whether you're a history buff, a beach lover, a foodie, or simply someone looking for a memorable vacation, Greece, with its panoramic vistas, historic sites, and sumptuous cuisine, is a destination that promises to leave you spellbound. In conclusion, while challenges persist, Greece continues to thrive as a top travel destination, particularly its enchanting islands. Each island, unique in its charm, offers a slice of the rich Greek culture and a promise of unforgettable experiences. Greece is not just a country, it's a feeling, an experience, a story waiting to be discovered.